Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we got Tom from Ecco. He's going to show us new products. Check it out.
Hi, Tom Lawless here with Ecco Safety Lighting from Earl Owens. Today we're going to talk about the ED 3702 directional lights. The first thing we want to show is how small and undetectable these lights are. The ED 3702 is a bright and versatile directional light. It can be 12 to 24 volts, 12 to 18 different light patterns, and what you can see here is they are synchronizable both with each other and other warning lights. We've got work lights, we've got directional lights. We will keep you lit up on the side of the highway. But what if you're saying to yourself, Tom, I need to pimp my ride?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna need the ED 3760 directional LEDs. Anywhere from 25 to 73 inches, running boards, push bumpers, tailgates. This is what you need to light yourself up on the side of a highway when you're not facing forward or backward. The ED 9215 from Ecco is a combination warning and work light. You saw before with the 3702s that this can be synchronized. This puts out a whopping 5,000 raw lumens of work light. I'm here at Earl Owens talking about the Ecco 12 series light bars. Light bars are expensive. You can spend up to $3,000. We don't have a light bar over $1,500. We can add work lights or alley lights. We can custom manufacture your Ecco 12 series light bar however you want it. You want 2 lights or 24? We can make it the way you want it made.
We'd like to thank Tom with Ecco for coming out today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in every Friday for installation, reviews, and new products like this.